Getting things done shouldn't feel this messy. But most of the time, it does. You have screenshots everywhere, notes in different places, emails you still need to reply to, and tasks you keep delaying because they just feel annoying to start. And the worst part? It's not that you can't do these things, you just don't want to deal with the effort. Now imagine if you could just describe what you need, and it actually gets done. Not explained, not suggested. Done. This is MoClaw, a personal AI helper that helps you move from idea to action without overthinking. Let me show you what that actually looks like in a real workflow. I've got a bunch of random screenshots and invoice files all over the place. Normally, I'd have to open each one, read it, manually organize everything, and maybe put it into a spreadsheet. It's simple work, but it takes time, and honestly, it's annoying. Instead, I'll just tell MoClaw what I need. Prompt, organize these invoice screenshots, extract key details, and create a structured Google spreadsheet with dates, amounts, and categories. Hit Enter now instead of just giving me instructions. It actually starts doing the work. It reads the files, extracts the important information, and organizes everything into a clean structure. And just like that, I've got a fully organized spreadsheet. Dates, amounts, categories, everything structured and ready to use. No manual work, no switching between tabs. Let's try something else. Create a simple landing page for a video editing service with a headline, services section, and contact form. Enter it builds the page structure instantly. But I can also refine it. Make the tone more premium and add a strong call to action. Updated web page preview. Now it actually feels polished and usable. Again, not just ideas, but something I can actually work with. You can also use it for everyday tasks. Create a Google Doc summarizing today's tasks and next steps. Instead of writing from scratch, it just gets done. And this is where it gets even more useful. Every day at 9 a.m., collect the latest AI news and summarize it for me. MoClaw confirms schedule. Now this isn't just a one-time task. It runs automatically in the background. You can also do things like remind me every evening to follow up with pending clients. So instead of remembering everything yourself, it just keeps things moving for you. And one thing I like? There's no forced subscription model. You basically pay for what you use, which makes it feel a lot more flexible compared to most tools. So after using this, the biggest difference isn't just speed. It's the fact that you don't have to think as much before starting something. You don't need to organize everything in your head, open multiple tools, or plan every step. You just describe what you need, and it moves things forward. That's what makes this feel different. It's not trying to replace everything. It just removes the friction from the things you already do. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description and see how it fits into your workflow. Sometimes the best tools aren't the ones that do more. They're the ones that make things feel easier.